welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. Now, the theme of January tends to be dieting, going to the gym, working out, and yeah, I don't really do any of those, but I've seen a lot of people talking about what they're eating, how they're cutting things out, vegan-anuary, I think that's how you pronounce it. Lots of people are kind of making New Year's resolutions to lose weight. It's just the time of year. But I personally think it's a load of rubbish. I just think, you know, I think we should all embrace the way we look and be confident about it and not worry about what other people think. For one, people should stop judging people, because that is the main issue, I think, and the media need to stop promoting it. But it is a money-making thing. January comes and every brand is bringing out some sort of diet thing or gym clothes and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, they're gonna get people hooked on it. It's the same every January. So in a weird way, I'm kind of embracing it, even though I disagree. But I know a lot of you probably do go to the gym regardless of whether it's January or not. And so I thought, because I love hairstyles, I would show you guys 5 super easy hairstyles that you can wear to the gym that are really cute. So let's get going. they were my 5 gym hairstyles for short hair. I really hope you enjoyed watching me create these. As you can see, they were super easy. All you need is an invisible hairband. They're super handy to pop your hair up. Some elastic bands. These are amazing on your hair because they really grip the hair into place and your hair does not budge, which is amazing if you are obviously going to the gym on the running machine or anything like that. These little crocodile clips in different sizes, so we've got some big ones here and also the mini ones. These are great for the gym. Again, your hair doesn't budge at all and you can pop in as many as you want to hold your hair into place. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I really hope I've inspired you to create some cute, easy hairstyles for going to the gym. Peace out.